Are you tired of fumbling around with dull blades that just can't cut it? Literally? Well, it's time to upgrade your EDC, Everyday Carry game. Welcome to the wild world of pocket knives, where versatility meets craftsmanship and a little bit of metal magic. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor adventurer or someone who just wants to slice through that stubborn packaging, we've rounded up the best pocket knives that will have you carving through life's challenges with flair. Let's dive in. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Good Worker Serrated Blade, our pick for best budget pocket knife. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate pocket companion, meet the Good Worker Serrated Blade, your new best buddy and budget-friendly sidekick. This isn't just any pocket knife, it's a multitasker in a sleek black aluminum suit, ready to tackle anything life throws your way. Crafted from tough 440C stainless steel, this knife sports a 2.95-inch serrated blade, designed to slice through tasks like butter. Whether you're an urban warrior battling pesky packaging or a weekend warrior braving the wild, it's got your back. With a handy seatbelt cutter and a glass breaker, you can rest easy knowing you're equipped for whatever shenanigans come your way. Plus, there's a pocket clip, ensuring this gem is always within arm's reach and never lost in the depths of your bag. At just 4.12 ounces, this compact companion fits snugly in your hand and your pocket without weighing you down. It's not just a tool, it's a statement piece, a conversation starter, and simply a must-have for anyone who loves the great outdoors or just wants to slice through their lunch with finesse. Looking for the perfect gift? This pocket knife is ideal for anyone from the little cousin who dreams of adventure to the grandpa who still remembers how to tie a fishing knot. So why wait? Equip yourself with the Good Worker Serrated Blade and turn every day into an adventure. Number 4. Smith Wesson Extreme Ops, our pick for best lightweight pocket knife. If you're on the hunt for a pocket knife that blends durability with a dash of style, look no further than the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops, your new lightweight companion for all things sharp and snazzy. Weighing in at just 3.5 ounces, this knife is practically begging to slip into your pocket, ready for action whenever you are. Crafted from reliable 7CR 17MUV black oxide high-carbon stainless steel, you can trust that this blade won't back down when things get tough. Whether you're slicing open a package or tackling that stubborn piece of rope, it's got your back. And with a sleek black aluminum handle, you'll find it not only feels good in your hand, but also looks fantastic hanging from your belt. What's cooler than a pocket clip? This one's got a finger flipper and ambidextrous thumb knobs, making it a breeze to whip out whether you're a righty or a lefty. We can't promise it'll win you a knife fighting competition, but you'll surely feel like a pro when it's time to show off your skills. Plus, with a secure liner lock, you can relax knowing that the blade won't leave your side or your fingers. Upgrade your EDC kit with the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops. Your future self will thank you. Still searching for the perfect pocket knife? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Gerber Gear EAB Lite, our pick for best exchangeable blade pocket knife. If you're in the market for a pocket knife that's as sharp as your wit, look no further than the Gerber Gear EAB Lite. This nifty little blade is keeping it real with its sleek stainless steel frame and a contractor-grade utility razor blade that's easily replaceable, because who has time for dull moments? At just 2.29 ounces, it won't weigh you down, but it can handle the weight of responsibility in your everyday carry, EDC. With an overall length of 5.1 inches, it fits comfortably in your pocket and is ready to spring into action when you need it most. Need to cut a box, slice some rope, or, let's be honest, show off at your next outdoor adventure? The EAB Lite has got your back, while doubling as a money clip. That's right, it's practical, functional, and stylish, all rolled into one compact gadget. Perfect for hunters, tradespeople, and anyone who appreciates a good tool without the fuss. This little guy is a must-have in your camping gear, toolbox, or emergency kit. With a blend of innovation and classic utility, the Gerber EAB Lite is not just a knife, it's your new best friend, always ready to slice through challenges, one witty moment at a time. So why not add this gem to your collection and level up your EDC game? Number 2. CIVIVI Mini Praxis, our pick for best folding pocket knife. If you're on the hunt for a folding pocket knife that's not just a tool but a trusty sidekick, the CIVIVI Mini Praxis is here to elevate your everyday carry game. Crafted from black stone-washed D2 steel, this little beauty is all about edge retention and corrosion resistance. Think of it as the James Bond of knives, sleek and always ready for action. When it comes to comfort, the G10 handle is smooth and sturdy, handling moisture and temperature changes like a champ. You'll grip it and forget you're even holding a knife. Plus, it's light enough that you won't feel like you're lugging around a brick. With its ceramic ball-bearing pivot, the Mini Praxis promises a glorious, swift deployment that'll have your friends wondering if you've got a magic trick up your sleeve. Whether you're slicing open today's mail, cutting through a pesky rope while camping, or just looking for an excellent excuse to show off your cool gear, this pocket knife is the perfect companion. Compact enough to fit in your purse or pocket, it's ready for any adventure, urban or wild. A thoughtful gift for the men or women in your life, or simply a delightful treat for yourself. Because let's face it, life is too short for dull blades. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. SOG Twitch II, our pick for best pocket knife overall. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where a trusty knife was your only ally, the Twitch II is about to become your new best friend. This little marvel has garnered fans like a rock star on tour, and it's no wonder why. It's perfectly sized for the pocket of your favorite jeans and opens as easily as a can of soda after a long day. With a stainless steel blade nestled in an aluminum handle that screams sleek sophistication, the Twitch II is like the Swiss Army knife of your dreams, but without the bulk. You'll carry it like a badge of honor, knowing you're ready for whatever life throws your way. Deployment? You've got options, my friend. Thumb studs on both sides mean it's user-friendly for everyone, lefties included. Want some flair? Give that flipper a flick. It practically does the work for you, swinging the blade out with an impressive spring-loaded action. Plus, that kick doubles as a finger guard, so you can slice with confidence. Any task you encounter, from crisping an apple to conquering those pesky zip ties, will be a breeze. And let's not forget the sliding lock for peace of mind that your trusty blade won't unleash itself on your jeans unexpectedly. So, if you're in search of a solid everyday carry that won't let you down and won't break the bank, the Twitch II is just waiting to join your pocket ensemble. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best pocket knives. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which pocket knife you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.